Rigidized Metals has a great deal of experience creating engineered metal surfaces widely used in transportation facilities subjected to the wear of high traffic. Various surface engineering techniques can optimize a stainless steel, titanium, or any metal installation for the best performance and service life. Whether you are designing a metal roof, wall, ceiling, elevator cab, partition, column cover, baseboard, or handrail, Rigidized Metals has surface options available that are specifically engineered for that application. We can help the architect build a better looking facility that is easier to maintain and costs less to operate. Surface engineered perforated metal can meet both the demands of acoustics and add visual interest. Deep textured acoustical panels are comprised of perforated, deep textured metal, acoustical absorption material, and components for mounting. Deep textured acoustical panels can be installed in either ceilings or walls. Deep textured perforated metal provides excellent durability. Panels are available in plain or powder coated stainless steel. Rigidized Metals acoustical wall panels are easily hung via Z-clip and Z-rail, making installation a breeze. Rigidized Metals offers several deep textured options for acoustical panel systems. The patterns shown here are recommended. They can be easily bent and formed into panel systems. They can also be powder coated as well as highlighted for a unique visual effect. The Miami Beach Convention Center's walls are clad in Rigidized Metals deep textured acoustical panels, powder coated in white. 716 Food and Sport in Buffalo, New York has acoustical ceiling panels, or clouds, in Rigidized Metals deep textured stainless steel above the hostess station, as well as above two of the bars. The RSS Design Studio, located in Buffalo, New York, recently installed acoustical ceiling panels in two separate Rigidized Metals deep textured patterns. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigitex Corporation. We are the world leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Our first applications were industrial focused, but soon after served architectural, industrial, marine, and transportation applications. Visit us at rigidized.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.